Hey guys, I'm back with another DIY Saturday, and today we're making natural sunscreen. Now, we know that we need vitamin D and that we can get it from the sun. And in certain parts of the world where I live in the Northeast in the US, we don't get a lot of sunshine year round, but we know that we need vitamin D and we can get it from the sun. We also know that the sun can be very damaging and harmful to our skin. So we were told for years, we got to lather up on the sunscreen to protect ourselves. Long gone are those days where you would sit out there slathered in baby oil with the foil shield. Who knows what I'm talking about? Give me a shout out if you're of that certain age in the comments below. But we know also that many of the products out there that we use to protect our skin also have a lot of very harmful chemicals. So what's a girl to do? We want to get outside and we want to be safe, but we don't want to cover our bodies in harmful chemicals. So I'm making a DIY sunscreen. It's my first time making this, so we'll see how it works out. And I'm going to include the recipe and the links to the products I used in the comments below. But let's get started. So we're going to use a 1/4 cup of shea butter, nice and soothing for the skin. A 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I'm using Skinny Paw or Skinny coconut oil, Skinny and Company. They also have a company called Skinny Paw for the pets. And this is the more solid coconut oil. And we're going to take a 1/4 cup of each and then warm it in a bowl. So what I did, made the good old double boiler, heated some water in a saucepan, and then I put a glass bowl on top with my ingredients and just warmed it. I warmed up the water first, and then I turned off the stove and I put the ingredients in the bowl and let the bowl sit up there just for a few minutes to let it liquefy. Then you added in a whole teaspoon of carrot seed oil. My first time working with carrot seed oil. Yummy. Well, we'll see how that works. And 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide powder. And 2 tablespoons. So this bag is going to last me a very, very long time. In fact, as almost always with DIY, you invest in a couple of products, ingredients, and then you can make so many. I mean, I'll be making sunscreen with this bag for years to come. So once our shea butter and coconut oil are melted sufficiently, we add in those other ingredients, a teaspoon of carrot seed oil and 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide. Then we add in 2 to 3 drops of Hawaiian sandalwood. And I'm using doTERRA Hawaiian sandalwood. I ran out, so a friend gave me a sample in here. So that smells so good. So 2 to 3 drops of that. Then we mix it all together. And then I poured the full mixture into my jar. As you can see, I was ambitious with the size of my jar, so I could really double this recipe easily, and it would give me a lot more to work with. But as I said, it's my first time trying it, so we'll see how it goes. And then you're going to tighten up your jar, and you're going to let it cool in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So it's pretty cloudy out today, so I don't know if I will need this today, but I'm going to let it cool now in my fridge, and then I've got my DIY sunscreen. Love to hear if you try it, so let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.